Welcome to our quick tutorial on how to make a simple mobile app using Rapid. This tutorial will cover some simple controls and minor customization to help get you started. Let's begin by making our app. Here we can name our app, give it a title and select a theme. With our app created, let's jump into the designer. Here we can name our first page. This page will be a simple sliding menu that can be reused on all of our other pages. Page names should be something unique, and we recommend a standardized naming convention. Titles are what users will see, but for this page we are not too worried about that. Now that we have our blank page, we are ready to start populating it with controls. Start with the slide panel. Click or drag it onto the stage. Simple, right? Now we're ready for more exciting things. Begin by clicking on our slide panel if it's not already in focus, and grab a panel control and drag it into our slide panel pane. If you're having problems, you can click on the panel and drag it into the slide panel using the page control list. Add some styling to the panel. This will just be some standard CSS. Now drag another panel into our slide panel pane. Be careful not to put it inside of our existing panel. This new panel will contain our menu items. Copy and paste it a couple of times for our other pages, but make sure you click on the slide panel page before pasting. We will be using the copy and paste buttons in Rapid for this. However, the button commands for these actions will also work. Next, drag a glyph and a text control into our panel. These will be our stylistic menu items. Make the glyph the bicycle icon and set the text to fitness grid. Repeat this for as many pages as you think you will need. Now that we have our menu, it's time to make it stand out better. For each glyph, we will give them a splash of colour, as shown on screen. The colours here were generated using a site called Paleton, which is a very handy little site for creating different colours. It's time to move onto our homepage. Click on the New button and give this page a meaningful name. Grab a page panel from the controls and set the page to our main menu. Our menu page will now display on the screen and behave exactly as if we were on the menu page itself when viewing our app. Now drag a flow layout control onto the stage and set the minimum width to 200 pixels. Don't worry if this covers the page panel a little bit, we will get back to this later. Next, grab a glyph and a panel and place them inside of our first flow layout cell. Give the panel some appropriate text, as this will be our home screen menu option. Change the glyph to match the text. Finally, set the style class of the panel to cellPanel. Looks good, doesn't it? Now, for something a little more drastic. Click on our second flow layout cell and click on the rubbish bin in the top right corner. Now, select our first cell, copy it and paste it. Presto! The cell has been pasted with all of our styles included. All we need to do now is update the glyph, the colours and the text. With the home page looking nice and snazzy, it's time to update our menu page. Go back onto the menu page, but remember to save the home page before moving on. Click or drag a new panel onto the stage, making sure it is not within any of our other controls. Then add some styling to the panel. Looks good, right? We can now also change our slide panel's icon color to white, making it stand out better. With the slide panel still in focus, in the Styles menu for the panel open, insert a margin left of -15 pixels. Grab another glyph and place it inside of our fancy panel. For this glyph, we will set it to the home icon and add the style class homeGlyph. See the effect this has? The homeGlyph will act as the go-to link for our homepage. Click on the homeGlyph and give it a navigation action. Select our homepage and we're done! That covers the basics of how to start your very own mobile app using Rapid. Now it's over to you. Take the time to explore all of what Rapid has to offer. Have a play around with the other controls available, add some new pages, and make more navigations to your new pages. That's about all for this video. We hope you found this video helpful, informative, and a good stepping stone for your involvement with Rapid. Take care and we'll see you next time.